Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing finding the square root of radical theory by division method. So, radical theory, when people see this radical theory, so going to confusing. So, not going confusing mind. So, start in this video and watch complete video. At the last of video, you can easily finding the square root of any number. So here we write the radical theory according to structure of prime factorization method. Here nearest to 3, which one is perfect square? 2 is perfect square. So here we multiply 2 times and sorry, 1 is a perfect square. Okay, 1 is perfect square nearest to 3. 1 the 1. Okay, so here 1 time 3 minus 1 is 2, and here next step is our 1 plus 1 2. So here we choose any number, for example 2 1. So here 2 1 multiply 1 21. 21 greater to 2. So here we write the 0 and here write the point. Okay, here 1 point. Okay, 1.20. Okay, and also increasing from this number. Okay, increasing from this number. So we write the 0 and again apply the another. Okay, apply the other. Okay, so when we multiply the 5 times and multiply the 5 times, so here 125. So we increasing the number 25, 26 multiply 6. So here we check 26 multiply 6 156. So we also increasing the number, for example 27 multiply 7. So here we get a number is 189. Okay, so 189 with we write the 7 here and 7 here. Okay, and 189. 189. Okay, 189. So here 27 multiply 7. So this number is 27 and adding 7 is 34. Okay, and is this number is 11 and answer is 1.7. 1.7. So here we check the answer. Here we check the answer 1.7 is right or not. Okay, radical theory is equal to this answer is given by calculator 1.7. Okay, at the one decimal place we calculate and easily we calculate the exact answer 1.7. This is the finding the square root by division method. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.